our support is getting higher, guys. So our supports are also getting higher, which is very good for this company. It's really bullish news in my opinion. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today guys, we'll be discussing Tonix Pharmaceuticals. In my first video, I explained the catalyst of Tonix Pharmaceuticals. We talked about their drugs that they're working on and also their treatment for fibromyalgia. Also, they have a cure for Alzheimer's. Last but not least, they're working on a vaccine, and they also have a COVID skin test, which is waiting for FDA approval, to be honest. So today, guys, we will be discussing Tonix Pharmaceuticals price movements. And if you didn't know already, on this channel, guys, we look at big growth stocks. I'm trying to look for the best penny stocks that I believe could be having a very bright future ahead of them. I'm also doing technical analysis if that is something you're really liking. So we look at price movements, we look at the support, the resistance, and the current trend in which these stocks are moving right now. And we are trying to do a price prediction based on previous price movements and the fundamentals, of course, which are really important. So guys, if that is something you would like, make sure to sub to the channel and leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that. And let's get right started with our video, guys. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that I wanted to mention in my video is my previous Tonix video did really well. We had a lot of likes, a lot of views, and also some very interesting comments and questions that I wanted to address in this video today. So the first common question that I see is coming back and again on the forums, on Reddit, and also on my YouTube channel is if Tonix Pharmaceuticals is a pump and dump stock. So if I am looking at the 1 year candlestick chart of Tonix Pharmaceuticals, yes, I can agree that there was some pumping and dumping going on, which is worrying, of course, for us investors, but especially for new investors who don't have a lot of experience in the stock market, guys. So my answer for this question would be that even if you bought at the top of a certain price target 3 months ago in December or November, which was $1, guys. So let's say you bought at the top of the pump, and after that the stock had a sell-off and it went all the way back to 60 or 50 cents, which it did 2 or 3 times in the past. Today, guys, you would still be up over 200% if you didn't sell on the sell-off. So what I mean by that is be patient, guys. These are penny stocks. Of course, they're gonna have ups and downs. They're gonna go up. People are gonna take profits. That's natural for everything in a stock market, guys. So my advice would be, I'm not a financial advisor, by the way, to have a certain price that you want to put on the stock. So don't go all in on a penny stock, guys, especially penny stocks that are in the biopharmaceutical sector. They are very common, like pump and dumps are very common with the pharmaceutical industry, especially with penny stocks, guys. So my advice would be to set a certain percentage of your portfolio in penny stocks. Don't go all in on a single penny stock. That's very risky, guys, of course. And if you don't sell off when the price is going down and you believe in the fundamentals, you shouldn't be worrying on the long term. So that's my advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment purpose only. But be cautious, guys, because these are penny stocks. They could go back to the $0 or to the moon, which we are hoping with Tonix, of course. Alrighty, guys, here we are at the daily candlestick chart of Tonix Pharmaceuticals. So we will be first looking at the daily, the 4 hours, and the 1 hour candlestick chart of Tonix Pharmaceuticals, and we will be trying to predict the price in the upcoming weeks and months for this company, guys. So looking at today's price, guys, you can see that we are trading at $1.67. We are down 6% today. We are actually recovering from the pullback all the way down to the $1.60. So if you look at the candlestick for today, we dropped all the way down to the $1.60, and currently we are recovering. We are sitting at $1.67. So this is pretty good. We have been following our trend line, very good in my opinion. Looking at the RSI, we are still slightly overbought, guys, so the price might be dropping in the upcoming days, guys. So and that is because we are overbought on the RSI, but on the MACD, guys, we are still not crossed on the daily MACD, which is still bullish for us investors. But I think that we might be having a lot more consolidation even next week, because our next catalyst are the earnings, and the earnings are just all the way up in March, guys. So we are still 2 to 3 weeks away from the earnings, which could be very good for this company. But looking at the volume too, guys, we are having an insane amount of volume. So if I zoom out, you can see in the past couple of days, we are having an insane amount of volume. So people are buying this stock, and they are truly believing in the company on the long term. So this is really good for us investors. We are also still very high up from the 50 moving average. So the price is still expensive in my opinion. So if you want to get an entry into Tonix Pharmaceuticals, you could be waiting, guys, until we get closer to the yellow line right around here, which is a 50 moving average, and you could be getting a better value if you decide to enter closer to the 50 EMA. Next, guys, we'll be jumping in the 4-hour candlestick chart. Alrighty, guys, so here we are at the 4-hour candlestick chart for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. You can see, looking at the previous price movements, we are having higher highs right around here, and our lows are also getting higher. So you can see our support is getting higher, guys. So our supports are also getting higher, which is very good for this company. It's really bullish news in my opinion. And our all-time highs are also increasing, which is very bullish news for this company. And we could be going a lot more higher after the consolidation period is over. So looking at the 4 hours, guys, you can see that we also crossed on the MACD, which means that we are in a bullish movement, a bullish sentiment. This was the stock price prediction for Tonix Pharmaceutical, guys. I hope that you liked my analysis and the news that I brought you today. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that, and I will keep you up to date with more Tonix update news. So that was it, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.